Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're setting up the Vesper Modular Chenille sofa. Let's get started. First things first, unbox all the sofa modules and accessories. Make sure you've got everything according to the manual. Next up, find those legs. Screw them firmly into the nut holes at the bottom of each module. Don't over-tighten, just nice and snug. Now, bring two modules close together. Gently lift and align the connector plates, then click them into place. You'll hear a satisfying snap when they're locked in. Our sofa features integrated cup holders in the arms, placing your favorite drink securely at arm's reach. After that, it's time for the brackets. Place them one by one into the slots and press down gently until they're fully attached. Then, just put on the seat cushions and throw pillows and ta-da! Your modular sofa is all set up. Go ahead, take a seat and feel the comfort. It's made with pet-friendly fabric, super easy to clean and scratch-resistant. Plus, the cushions are removable and machine washable, so your sofa stays fresh and clean all the time. Wait, there's more. This sofa also comes with hidden storage, perfect for blankets, magazines, or anything you want to keep handy but out of sight. And guess what? It turns into a bed just like that. Last step, find the connectors to secure everything in place. Make sure everything is locked in tight. And that's it. Your awesome new sofa is ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.